Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
My dear Vidura, Suniti was the mother of a great hero. Her tears, together with the milk flowing from her breasts, wet the whole body of Dhruv Maharaj. This was a great, auspicious sign. When deities are installed, they are washed with milk, yogurt and water, and this ceremony is called Abhisheka. In this verse it has been especially mentioned that the tears which flowed down from the eyes of Suniti were all auspicious. This auspiciousness of the Abhisheka ceremony performed by his beloved mother was an indication that in the very near future Dhruv Maharaj would be installed on the throne of his father. The history of Dhruv Maharaj leaving home was that his father refused to give him a place on his lap, and Dhruv Maharaj determined that unless he got the throne of his father, he would not come back. Now this Abhisheka ceremony performed by his beloved mother was an indication that he would occupy the throne of Maharaj Uttanapada. It is also significant in this verse that Suniti, mother of Dhruv Maharaj, is described as Veera Su, a mother who produced a great hero. There are many heroes in the world, but there is no comparison to Dhruv Maharaj, who was not only a heroic emperor of this planet, but also a great devotee. A devotee is also a great hero because he conquers the influence of Maya. When Lord Caitanya inquired from Ramananda Raya about the most famous man in this world, the latter replied that anyone who is known as a great devotee of the Lord is to be accepted as the most famous.